There you go.
How's it going? It's your boy Big Chillin'. So, it's been a minute since I have been uploading at all on the channel, and I do apologize for that. Um, I have had one heck of a past few months. Let's just say that. So I'm gonna make sure to make this real short because it's not like a full on video, but essentially I found out what I wanted to do with the channel. So over the times that I was streaming and making content, I always thought to myself, I was like, is this actually what I want to do with the channel? Is this actually the type of content I want to produce? To me, it was just, I don't know. So what we started off with was Minecraft. Then we went on to a few other videos, GTA 5. I tried doing skits. I tried just, I tried. I tried doing a whole lot of things, and I just wasn't feeling the energy. I'm gonna be honest with you. Um, and what I've had in mind for the longest time, what was originally my initial idea, was doing a day in the life of type videos, or vlogging type videos, or just in real life stuff. Um, to me, I just think it's always interesting to see what other people got going on in the world, just to escape, reality sometimes, delve into somebody else's. And after getting out of that rut, I was just, in honesty, I was just like, okay, well, let's start getting the gears in order, start getting them moving. Let's start getting things that I can actually produce this type of content with. So, without further ado, y'all can see the camera that I got. It is a action camera, specifically an Akaso Break 4. Got it on a real good deal with a bunch of gear for it, so I'm actually really excited about that. We also got ourselves a new microphone. I still got to tweak with the audio a little bit, so if I sound interesting, it's because I haven't messed around with the filters or anything like that yet. So but yeah, that's really the major order for today. For right now, is for a good minute actually. I will be getting content out to y'all in the next week or so. I intend on doing 2 videos weekly and then a stream on the weekend. I just think that's going to be the most streamlined way to do it, because I have a stacked college schedule along with marching band practice, which is going to be a huge part of the whole vlogging situation. I'm actually gonna have somebody along the ride while I go insane. So, um, we're gonna figure out how to get all of that just captured. Boom, and it's gonna work. It's gonna work real good. I have full belief in this, that it will go the way I need it to, the way I want it to. So, uh, as of right now, I mean, that's about it. This is gonna be kind of the video of the week. I don't have really much planned other than maybe something on Friday. I might drop something on Friday, so that'll be the first look into what the type of content's gonna be. I appreciate y'all that have been here with me since the start. I mean, it's huge. I'm glad y'all are still here. And any newcomers, I really hope you guys are either enjoying, or maybe it's just something that you're going to enjoy. As usual, stay chilled, y'all. It's a little hot outside. I ain't gonna lie. It was like 108 today. That's not very fun. I'm gonna be honest. So wherever you are, stay chilled, stay alive. I prefer it. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Take it easy.